In this class, just a recap, we've succeeded in installing two apps. First of all, the JDK and the IntelliJ, all right? And we started off by first learning what Java programming is all about. Why do people love Java as a programming language? Is that right? Then we went on to look at a little history about Java programming language, how it started in 1995, and all that. So this is just like an introductory class, and I will want your feedback. Let me hear from you what you think about this class. Let me hear from you.
Okay. As for me, I don't believe anything is difficult as long as the right information is given to me, or I discover or find it. If you understand the concept of something, there's no way it's difficult. So that's why I'm putting my efforts to do the much that I can in order to excel in whatever I'm doing.
Okay, that's awesome. That is great. That is great. I love that. So yes, feedback from you, Joy.
I've not done Java before. Whether people say it's difficult or not, I still want to learn it. And if it's difficult to other people, that's even more of a reason I want to learn it. Yes.
That is great.
I'm looking forward to learning it, basically. Thank you.
Okay, so I'm glad at least we started off on the right foot. Please do reach out to the others, okay? Because it won't be nice that we've gone far and some other person will be joining us after 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
There's no, we're good. Like on Saturday,
yeah,
I believe we should have added in the other two people should be here.
Okay, that is fantastic. So what will happen is that I don't know, should I share this file in the group or I should send it to your email?
The group would be much better, but
okay, I'll drop it in the group then.
Yeah.
So do you have any question?
No.
Okay. Any question from you, Joy?
No, I'll just do all the installations after the class once the thing finishes once they finish downloading. Yes.
All right. So remember, you can always ask Iwuchukwu, or if you need any help, just reach out. Is all right.
Okay, thank you.
All right. So if that will be all for now, so we call it a day. Thank you very much. I love you guys. Have a wonderful night rest.
Thank you, sir. You too.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.